freedom of movement. When you lose it because of mechanical breakdown, it's important to know there's someone who will respond quickly. With a business founded on fast service and consistent reliability, K&J Radiator Industries bring you the radiator you need with a guaranteed next day delivery to anywhere within Australia. And if you need a non-standard radiator, we custom manufacture to your exact specification. And we get this to you in just 24 hours, a reflection of the service upon which we've built our business. At K&J Radiator Industries, we're a family business, so we understand the value of personal involvement and commitment. Founders Keys and Judy Wheel and their children all work within the business. With a responsive and hands-on management style that has been a critical factor in establishing K&J as Australia's foremost manufacturer of aftermarket radiators. From the beginning, we've worked to build a business that focuses beyond the excellence of product, with a service that takes responsibility for delivery to anywhere in Australia within an unequaled 24 hours. From our design centre and factory on Queensland's Gold Coast, we've created one of the most modern, state-of-the-art radiator manufacturing plants, not only in Australia, but also the world. Leading the country in both the design and manufacture of aluminium, copper brass and steel radiators for all model cars, trucks, earth-moving equipment and industrial applications. With first-class quality to original manufacturer specifications, using the finest materials sourced from all over the world and manufactured to world's best practice. Cooling systems for the huge variety of vehicles on the road today can be either high or low pressure. Through innovative design and an understanding of the different properties of metals, we can manufacture a radiator to suit the original specification of 99% of all vehicles on the road. For high pressure applications, we've pioneered the design and manufacture of highly efficient aluminium radiators. Years of research, design trials and manufacturing prototypes have been invested in working with the qualities of this metal to give a greater tube-to-fin contact, with a cooling efficiency more effective than the traditional copper brass versions. The brazed aluminium construction is also stronger than the lead-soldered copper brass radiator. Before the brazing process occurs, thorough cleaning is critical to a strong and complete weld, so our radiators go through many stages of meticulous washing and cleaning. And although aluminium is very resistant to damage, we go a few steps further to build you the most rugged and durable radiator possible. First, very high quality header plates are fitted, providing additional tube to header strength and helping to stop failure through vibration. The inner core structure of the aluminium radiator is then brazed, a unique process that makes the tubing more flexible and able to resist puncture or damage if struck by stones or other debris on the road. During the brazing process, we need to maintain the temperature to extremely tight tolerances. So we've invested in the very latest technology to provide the high degree of quality control essential for this operation. This absolute attention to detail expresses our commitment to building a long-life product. At K&J, we've invested the same technology in the manufacture of intercoolers for turbocharged engines. Our Charge Air intercoolers are fitted as original equipment to well-known trucks, including Mack and Nissan UD, which is sold throughout Australia and also into Asia and Africa. At K&J Radiator Industries, we're also the premier manufacturers of custom-built aluminium radiators for applications such as sprint cars, hot rods, street cars, sports cars, and many other applications. Motor enthusiasts can now buy Australian-made instead of using imported products. If you want it, we can make it. For low-pressure cooling systems, we've applied the same focus on long life and protection against damage to our range of copper brass radiators. Through additional processes such as face dipping and full solder dipping, we can guarantee you complete protection, particularly important when your vehicle operates in harsh, corrosive conditions, such as near salt water or in heavy industrial climates. From the smallest micro car to a 200-ton off-highway truck, we have the right radiator. But we consider it equally important to get this into your vehicle as soon as possible. To back up our promise of speedy delivery, we've established distributors in all Australian capital cities, with well-stocked warehouses in Sydney, Melbourne, Tasmania, Brisbane, and the Gold Coast. Our 24-hour air freight service means that if you ring us before 4 p.m. on any day of the week, you'll have your radiator the very next day. To achieve this fast response time, we've created a computerized freighting system that allows us to track your radiator in transit, whether it's in the hold of a Qantas jet or in the back of one of our own delivery trucks. We know exactly where your radiator is at any point in the delivery chain. This is supported by an extensive freight network that services the entire country, a system that is the envy of our competitors. And wherever your radiator has to go, our double-layered foam packing makes sure there's no transit damage. We also support you with a full range of accessories to allow you to offer a complete range of services to your client. These include plastic tanks, brass tanks, O-rings, plastic jigs, and electrolysis detectors. At K&J Radiator Industries, we understand a quality cooling system is crucial to the consistent and reliable operation of your vehicle's engine. With quality assurance measured by innovative design, using the world's finest materials and the highest standards of manufacture, you can be sure you're receiving a radiator manufactured to world's best practice. Proudly delivered with a next day service or a 24-hour custom build service, and confidently backed by our 4-year warranty, the very best in the industry. K&J Radiator Industries. Service is our success.